Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I'm back today to give you guys a review slash update because unfortunately I am getting ready to take out my hair. But as you guys saw by the title, you can kind of see here, I did install some new locks in my hair. This was my first time installing locks into my hair by myself, and I tried to do the whole distressed butterfly look. As a whole, this whole style, for the first time, I was very lazy because I was trying to quickly do it right before my birthday. But of course, I do have some other locks stashed away, so I will be redoing my hair just like this very soon. I will film it for you guys, and I'm not going to be lazy about it. This was my first time, like I stated, but the second time will be way better. That's what happened when I first did my passion twist. So, but enough about that. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. Now, the locks that I got, I did receive them from Amazon. I will leave all the information down below in the description box so you guys can check them out if you are interested. But they sent me, I believe, 6 or 7 packs of their 24-inch new locks. And the color that I have is 1B, so that's like a black. I did dye my hair brown, so I did have some trouble, which I will get into that. But once again, it was 6 packs, 24-inch new locks, crochet, already pre-twisted, 1B. On Amazon, they retail for $49.98 for 6 packs, and then they have the little 5% coupon. So, of course, it came in this bag, 6 packs of hair, and they give you a crochet needle. I don't remember if they gave me beads or not. But yeah, but out of the 6 packs, I did use, I believe I used either 1.5 bags or 2. This is 2 packs of hair. And then to get that like distressed look, I used some of my water wave passion twist hair a little bit. Now, I did say it was a lazy, I did a lazy job on it because I wanted these to be more fluffed out, but I just decided like I was just trying to get it, over with. So yeah, for it to be the first time, it did come out okay, decent enough for me to still, rock them. But like I had said, my hair is brown, so you guys can see a little bit of my hair because I did film me putting the rest of the locks in my hair, and I did explain that I did my hair really lazy. Some of my individuals were braided, some of them were twisted, some of them I took the time to take the crochet needle and take my hair and pull it through and try to hide it through the lock. Other ones I didn't. I was just super lazy with it. If the hair was brown, it wouldn't too much make a difference to me because you wouldn't really see my natural hair. My natural hair is brown now because I dyed it, but I know you guys can see. But I did state in the other video, the other part of the video, which you guys will see after this, I did state that for it to be the first time, it really didn't bother me anyway since I was going for a more distressed lock look. So yeah, today's date is September 8th. So I believe I installed these. They had to be, I started on August 26th. So it's been almost 2 weeks. So I'm taking them down because like I said, I'm gonna redo them. I have some other locks that I want to put in a different color, and plus I have some other hair reviews I need to knock out of the way before I put locks back in my hair. But this is how the hair is looking for 2 weeks. So once again, they are 24 inches. So for it to be almost 2 weeks, they really don't look bad. They don't look bad at all. The back, in my opinion, is bad because I just was very lazy in the back. There's not a whole lot of flats back there. Y'all can see. If you're familiar with my channel, if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, I did have goddess locks in my head before. Somebody else did it, but I did like updates and stuff on that, so I will leave those in the card so you guys can see. So locks, faux locks in general is nothing new to me. This is just my very first time installing them myself. I needed to review the hair, so I didn't want to leave the company hanging or you guys hanging, so I went ahead and just got on here, just like this, so you guys can see before I take them out. So as far as the locks itself, they are 24 inches. So this is how they look. Of course, it's pre-twisted, pre-looped. So I do like them. They were pretty easy to install. It's just I have to, you know, it's the first time and I have to work with it with my real hair. But as far as the locks, I like the locks. I like the length, 24 inches. Once again, they're 1B. They're promoting 1B, so I had to use 1B. But if I was able to pick the color that I wanted, I would have. But I have no problem, you know, promoting or reviewing what they need to promote for the time being. But I do like the locks. Super easy to install and all that good stuff. So hopefully I didn't leave anything out. If I did, I'll leave it in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course share this video with your family and friends. The next part of the video, I will be showing you guys how I installed it and all that stuff. So that is pretty much it. So if you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as post notification bell, so you're not missing a new upload from yours truly. Once again, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you in my next. So right now I have about 6 left. I decided to go ahead and do these on camera so you guys can see exactly how I've been doing it. Now, a couple things before I get started. I was real lazy. Most of my individuals are braided, they're plaited, and some of them are twisted like this one. So I got real lazy there, and the whole thing, really the whole hairstyle was very lazy for me. I don't know what was going on. And then you might be able to see my hair is brown now, but you can like see some of my hair peeking through, and that's actually okay since this is like a butterfly distressed kind of look. So I'm actually not mad at it, but this is my first time installing pre-twisted locks, my first time doing locks, my first time doing the distressed locks. So kind of trial and error, but so far they don't look bad. So I'm gonna show you guys how they look so far. This is how they are looking. I do plan on going back in and kind of picking out the hair to make it a little bit more distressed looking, because I twisted the other hair pretty tight, so the hair is not as fluffy, but that's okay. It is my first time, so I am learning as I go. This is what I have so far. Again, it is 24 inches. I'll show you guys the back. These are in the color 1B, but I'm gonna go ahead and install these, and then I'm gonna get to these fronts so you guys can really see, because you can't really see right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and install these, and then I'll be back to show you guys how exactly I'm installing the locks.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little.
So now I'm gonna go take the ends of my hair. I'm going to spray my Gots to Be at the end. And now I'm gonna take some hairspray and do the same. And I am done. So this is how my hair looks. Like I said, I'll probably go in when I get bored and kind of pull some hair out to give it more of a distressed look.
Ryan Little.